Welcome. Thank you for tuning in as we journey into spirituality. This experience entails an easy guided meditation to help alleviate stress. In doing so, we also want to provide the most comfort possible. Success in this process involves the absence of expectation and the intention to leave stress-free. Please lend an open mind with the desire of mental, physical, and spiritual freedom as a final result. In preparation, this meditation can be done in your place or space of preference, but it is advised that your choice is an area of peace. You may choose to sit comfortably in a chair, any lotus position, lying down, more importantly, what works best for you. Your eyes may be open or closed. However, it is vital that you provide your full attention and follow instruction. As we begin, we will place focus on our breathing. Breathing exercise is very significant in the course of relieving stress. Once guided, you will stay with your breathing for a few moments. Now, I ask that you inhale, take a deep breath in, exhale, and release to empty your lungs, relaxing your stomach and diaphragm. Again, take a deep breath in and exhale, emptying your lungs, relaxing your stomach and diaphragm. With each breath, you are becoming more in tune and aware of your mind and body, allowing yourself to be open and removed from the world around you. In this very moment, I want you to imagine that you are standing beneath a small waterfall as it lightly releases water, beginning with your head, running to your shoulders, down your arms, to your fingertips, down your back, your chest, running over your thighs, lower legs, through to the tips of your toes. As the waterfall continually releases the water lightly running from your head to the tips of your fingers and toes, you feel your body begin to relax. You are being rinsed and cleansed of any heaviness, tension, and negative energy from your mind, every muscle, and joint of your vessel, draining out of the ends of your limbs. Allow the waterfall to take its course, soothing your exterior and interior while it continues to purify you. The waterfall has elevated your mind, body, and spirit, relieving you of stress and tension. Your vessel drifts forward from beneath the streaming water. Presently, you feel refreshed, rejuvenated, free, and as light as a feather. Bringing this meditation to an end, we would like to thank you for allowing yourself the opportunity to explore. We are grateful for your presence and look forward to your return as we continue to journey into spirituality. Until next time, be positive.